Today, we're searching for what we believe to be some unwanted passengers inside a woman's car. Oh, God almighty. My good friend Brian Chapman, who owns a tire store and an auto mechanic shop here in Morganton, North Carolina, has had a vehicle come in that smells so bad that his technicians have asked him to get it cleaned before they even attempt to work on it. So he's dropped it off here at my shop for us to take a look at it. And from my experience, I've got a hunch there's for sure some extra passengers in this car. So let's go take a look and see what's going on. Oh my, see they parked this thing up here. I got the door already open. I'm glad they opened the windows. I was wondering why the windows is already open, but I can see why. Smells like some rats have actually got in here and died, really, and they just sprayed potpourri over the top of it. So, fresh flowers on a bad grave.
Nothing gets rid of the stench.
Oh my, man. Well, I think from the smell of it, something is actually dead. I don't know if there's any live ones in here, but usually when there's one or two, you know, I think there's gonna be a couple in this thing. But by looking at it and smelling it, like I'm just really not for sure what we're gonna do with this thing. I know we're gonna have to tear it apart, right? Like, she just has stuff everywhere. A little bit of open candy and food. There's used forks in the center console. There's definitely small and medium rat droppings in the floor. She's got her steering wheel cover. They've been eating and chewing and dripping and driving. You gotta be careful what you open, right? Never know what's what or what's where. Wow, man. They have them one more playground back here, man. Like this one's gonna have to come apart though, right? We're gonna have to find where they are, what they're doing. Like this stuff here is something else. Looking at this thing, there is definitely evidence of some little mice. There's all sorts of rat poop in the seats and on the carpet. The trunk is full of trash and food that's got some chew marks on it where they've been building their nests. To get started though on a car like this, it's crucial that you protect yourself from any of the pathogens that may be airborne or maybe bacteria that you can pick up from stirring things up. So I'm gonna suit up in my protective gear. I'm gonna start removing all the big clutter and the trash out of my way. With a vehicle like this, you wanna remove all the big stuff first so you can see and so you can locate the center of activity, and then you can go from there. All right, guys, so I slipped into something a little more uncomfortable, and I know it sounds like that, you know, I'm going to war, and I really am. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna start destructing this thing. First I'm gonna do is, I'm really just gonna take everything out, find what's good, what's not, get rid of what's not, right? I got my trash can, I got my box of goodies. I'm really not gonna walk. Just gonna bring it all up here. That's been chewed on and chewed at, so I don't think nobody's gonna wanna drink after those. Nope. Well, I guess if she found them, it's gonna be whack-a-mice instead of whack-a-mole. Well, as we can see, they've been living back here. They've been eating and drinking, looks like. They've broken into something that's been some kind of juice or candy. So now it's on to the front. I'm using a Torx T50 because in Nissans, that's how they actually torque down the seats with the Torx head bolt. And so we've got that lined up. You look, they got candy stored over here. They've been sucking on a peppermint.
You shut up!
That one?
What?
I think I saw something.
I'm so scared right now, you shut up!
No, that was the cord. It's nothing here. Nothing here, boys. Don't do that. Shoo. My gosh. Stinks, man. When I opened that up, it stinks, boys. Fresh poop just dropping out of right here. It smells just like they got done peeing over here, man. Like, I don't see a cabin air filter, but it's going to be right here close. I don't know if you remember a song a long time ago. You ever remember that song? I always feel like somebody's watching me. I feel like something's watching me. I really don't like it. Something just moved. I ain't opening that. Something just moved right there. Or my shadow caught it one. Holy God almighty. He's one right there. I wonder if these seats hold stuff in. My God.
What did it look like?
I don't even know how it got in the hole. It's got to be like that big. Like he had to shrivel down to this size to get in that hole. It looks like the Predator or something. Like there's something right there, no lie. But I got to get all this loose so I can get it there. Oh my God. Hey, there it is again, there it is again. There it is. Sit. Oh. Oh yeah, he's trying to get away right here. I can see it. Here he comes. What are we gonna do with it? Well, how are we gonna catch it?
You gotta grab it.
What? Why I gotta grab it? Oh, I got a box to catch it. Listen, I laid this out just to pretend that we was gonna catch something. And bless God, we're gonna catch something right here. Oh, hey! Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. No!
Holy smokes, that was too close.
I don't know how to get it out of there, and I sure ain't going in after it. No, 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 no. Wow, man.
You ever had a live one like that?
Yeah. But they usually jump out and run and go crazy, right? But this one over here is like, he's daring me to come in after him. Hey! He right there. I think we stirred him up by taking the seat out, right? Huh. Listen, man, I don't know if I signed up for this or not. Oh my God. Boy, they got him a palace under here too, buddy. Listen, they gotta be more than one. I'm not joking you, buddy. Jesus. Guess we might as well just go for it, hadn't we? Oh my God! No, 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 no. I don't know what we got to do at this point. Don't you come out of there. Listen, I'm sick of shit. He looking at me now. No, what you talking about, reaching out and grab it? Yeah, you think it is a hamster? Oh, that one's... Oh! There's two! Look at that. Shh. Shut your mouth. That is ridiculous. Oh! What y'all doing? I am not joking you. Come on out there, little fella. Come on, buddy. There he is. Listen, I can't grab that son of a gun. You got to go get me a pair of big gloves or something. You watch the holes. Listen, I don't know if the camera's big enough. You'll have to get a wide angle shot. Look right here. You see them? Look right here. You see them? Yeah, look here. See them? And they got all kind of stuff in here, man. Look here. See them? See them?
Keep holding that. Oh, yeah, there he is.
There he is. Oh my God, there come the other one. He wanted to be on camera too. Oh, there he is. Come on out. Please, come on out. Come on out, little buddy. Just be quiet. Let him come on out. There's one right there. Man, oh, come here. Got one. Woo! Mouse hunters, baby. All right, I got one. Hope he ain't got hops. See him?
No, the frame.
I see him.
The frame.
I see him. I see him. God, did he make it?
No, he's out. He's out.
Okay, I got two. Shoo! I don't see any more over here. Gotta go to the other side though.
I shouldn't have jumped back so fast.
You busted through.
Busted through Tyvek's. It's a wonder something didn't come out the Tyvek's. Okay. Rat poop in it. Look here. Rat poop. They've been in this system. We're gonna have to odor eliminate inside of there for sure. This thing here's seen its days, buddy. I mean, it's days, man. So I'm actually going to go release my friends into the wild, so there was no mice hurt in the making of this video. Maybe a little nerves, maybe a little Tyvek soup that's been blowed out, right? But that's okay. So we're gonna release those guys into the wild so they'll be okay. And then we're gonna start the cleanup process. So we'll be right back with you. We're going to Forever Paradise, my friend. So we got, I'm not naming them because they're not in the family, right? We're gonna let these little fellers out down here. Man, they're gonna have everything they possibly need. All right, boys, you get on with it. There you go, little fellers. Hit the dusty trail. Go on, boys. And there we go. Off into the wild blue yonder. Boy, I tell you what, jobs like this, they're an absolute blast for me to take on. You just never know what you're gonna find or what kind of problems are gonna arise. And I feel that a true detailer should be able to tear a vehicle completely apart. Now, luckily, we were able to find and capture the little bandits that was causing the odor problem in this old Nissan Altima. After safely evicting them, we cleaned out the mess that they had left behind. We shampooed, sanitized, and disinfected the seats and the carpet. We cleaned the headliner. We even installed a new cabin air filter for the customer. Now, as always, if you guys like this video, please give it a like and or subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out and it enables us to keep making content just like this. I'll catch you guys on the next one.